Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change default launcher on Android. So for this, we will just open the Play Store on Android device and make sure you will be just download the Microsoft launcher. So I will just already download it. After you installing on your device, just go back on the home, swipe up, just tap settings, and as you can see, just finding apps list, so just tap on it. After here there's an option choose default apps, so we will just get in. After here you will see home app, so just tap on it, and now you will just have to default change launcher, so just switch to Microsoft launcher and just go back, and that's it. In this way you will just have to change default launcher on Android. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.